We have a 2013 Ford Escape 2.0 doing the fan. So as you can see, remove the front bumper, headlights, top cross member, the air deflector, and you pull this upper core support. Just pull it right up, comes right off. Disconnect these hoses though. Snap in here. Disconnect your electrical wires. You got a sensors right there. One right there. That way it tells you to evac the AC, pull all these coolant hoses, and actually have you drop it through the bottom. But yeah, some pretty rusted bolts down there, so I decided to pull it through the top. A lot faster. Calls for 4 hours to do it. I'm currently an hour and a half in, and the new one is already in. But to get this fan out, it's held in by little snap clips. You probably mount, pop it up. You have to disconnect coolant lines that go to your radiator. So pop this clip off, pull it off, and then I just disconnect this hose right here from the valve, pull it off, and then you can angle this fan out of here. Saves you a lot of time, in my opinion. But I'm gonna show you everything when it's back together. To remove this upper radiator support, got 1, 2, 3. This one, those 2, same on the other side. One that goes right here, one that goes right there, and just pops up, pulls off, and you're putting it back on. There's a little space in here that washer fluid bottle slides into. So make sure you get that in before you bolt it down. Got the coolant lines. See, that one runs underneath. The other snap in there, right there. And you got your electrical connectors there. Right there, which connects to your harness right here. We're going to bolt all this back in. Put the lights in. And you got a bolt that goes right here, up here on the fender, and another one through here. And then we're going to put the deflector back on here. So Alright, about to install the air deflector. Let's see. The arms snap right into there. That. And you got these little locks. Twist in. Right behind there. Line everything up. Like that. That. See, twist it, locks in, just like that. Same thing this side, pushes on, locks. Just snap in, just like so. Have this piece back here that snaps in the back of the deflector. Pain in the ass. So yeah, this little arm that snaps right in. Yeah. Come up top. Got these little ears. Lock in. Just like that. Make sure you these back in. Little push tabs. Right there. You got the one that runs up to the side. Make sure you put all that stuff back in. You see, we got the air deflector on, headlights in. Don't forget this little air tube. But to do most of this, you need a T30 for the headlights, 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and a 7 millimeter and an 8 millimeter sockets. Now when you're putting this bumper together, there's 3 bolts that go on the inside of here. You have to get them from inside the top. They're 10 millimeters. Right. Next is bumper, which is mostly 7 millimeter bolts, a couple of 10 millimeters. And then putting your air box back in, buttoning everything back up. Of course, your hood latch. Alrighty. We will get everything put back together. That's your harness connector for all your lights in your bumper or your fascia. See, everything's back together. Fan is working. Air box, 8mm. Pop the top off, loosen your clamp, pops right out, just come out with it, like that. You got your little push tabs, quick release, this comes off, and you got everything.